But the real comms battle is in defending VP Inday because our goal is to take her to the 2028 elections and win it for her. Bakit win it for her? Kasi tayo yung bumoboto. And by doing all of this, tayo yung nangangampanya para sa kanya. Gusto niyong bumalik yung mga panahon na safe na naman maglakad sa kalye? Let's take the VP to the presidency in 2028. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung mga panggulo ng mga yan. Pansinin niyo kung paano nila i-attempt siraan si VP Inday. Ang gagawin nila, ililink siya sa korupsyon. Kahit hindi totoo, kahit puro shortcut, kahit hindi logical ang mga argumento nila. Posibleng maghahanap sila ng mga illegally acquired evidence at ipipresenta nila na ibang-iba ang naratiba. Yan ang plan nila ngayon. Halimbawa, pipresenta nila yung, let's say, ipresenta yung kanyang bank records. Every single deposit dyan, gagawan nila ng kwento. Bakit? Because mahirap na pagka marami ng panahon ang lumipas, maghanap ng records para ma-justify yung mga deposits na yan. And by the way, kung kunwari sabihin niya na, ay may maliit kami na negosyo, nilagay ko muna yan sa personal account ko. Sabihin nila, nagkukumingle ka ng funds, teka muna, hulihin niyo muna siya. Remember, don't forget, focus on bringing VP Inday to 2028, which means siya talaga ang target and siya ang dinidefend natin. Okay? Huwag kayong magpaparage bait. Pag may nagsabi, tatay nyo karton, tatay nyo B. Kung ano yung B, bahala na kayo. Pwede nyo pa rin naman sabihin, tatay nyo bangag. Kasi sino ba ang nagtawag na bangag sa presidente? Hindi ba kapatid niya? Sabi ni April, yes, attorney, pag naipakulong na nila si Marcoleta, sunod-sunod na kayong lahat. Kaming lahat? Bakit? Hindi naman ako nag-plunder. Yun, sabi ni J-Lo, pikon kayo sa Pinks, unahin nyo si BBM. Yes, yan yun. O kita ninyo, mayroon na ngayon na humihirit. Daldal ka ng daldal, palibasa ang laki ng bunganga mo. Sabi ng taong nagtatago, di ba? Sabi ng taong na kagandahan ka, girl. Sa totoo lang, pagka ganyan na yung mga argumento ninyo, personal, itsura, anong kinalaman yan sa pinag-uusapan namin dito? Bakit? Gumanda ba ang Lenny ninyo? O gumanda ba si BBM? Gumaling ba siya dahil tinawag mo akong malaki ang bunganga? Ha? Gumanda ba ang ekonomiya? Naintindihan ba ng mga tao ang diskusyon dito? Nagkakaroon ba ng clarity ang taong bayan kung bakit naghihirap? Kung bakit ang mahal-mahal ng peso sa dolyar? Bumaba ba ang inflation dahil tinawag mo akong ganyan? Mayroon ka bang nadulot na impormasyon? Meron ka bang nadulot na impormasyon na hindi libelous? Ha? Ma'am, anong tinuturo ninyo? Ikaw ba disenteng tao? Ikaw ba hindi makasalanan? Ikaw ba ang napakagaling na para sa iyo malaking kasalanan na kung maayaw mo yung itsura ng tao? Yung pag ang tao ayaw mo yung itsura, may kasalanan na yung tao. Ibang level din pala kayo mag-argue, ma'am. So ulitin ko ha. I get it. Masaya rin naman kasing makipagbardagulan. So kung yan po yung pang-distress ninyo, go lang. Okay lang yan. But the real comms battle is in defending VP Inday because our goal is to take her to the 2028 elections and win it for her. Bakit win it for her? Kasi tayo yung bumoboto. And by doing all of this, tayo yung nangangampanya para sa kanya. Gusto niyong bumalik yung mga panahon na safe na naman maglakad sa kalye? Let's take the VP to the presidency in 2028. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung mga panggulo ng mga yan. Pansinin niyo kung paano nila i-attempt siraan si VP Inday. Ang gagawin nila, ililink siya sa korupsyon. Kahit hindi totoo, kahit puro shortcut, kahit hindi logical ang mga argumento nila. Posibleng maghahanap sila ng mga illegally acquired evidence at ipipresenta nila na ibang-iba ang naratiba. Yan ang plan nila ngayon. Halimbawa, pipresenta nila yung, let's say, i-allow, ipresenta yung kanyang bank records. Every single deposit dyan, gagawan nila ng kwento. Bakit? Because mahirap na pagka marami ng panahon ang lumipas, maghanap ng records para ma-justify yung mga deposits na yan. And by the way, kung kunwari sabihin niya na, ay may maliit kami na negosyo, nilagay ko muna yan sa personal account ko. Sabihin nila, nagkukumingle ka ng funds, teka muna, hulihin niyo muna siya. Sabi ni Winston, because of you, Attorney T, lumalakas din loob ko lumaban sa ganyan sa SOCMED, but I know my limitations, not ad hominem. Correct. Well, we don't have to make patol every single one. as I usually tell my friend, Grace Ibuna, ganyan kami minsan magsalita. No, girl, you don't have to make patol. Ganyan. Ginagaya lang namin si Ed Chico. Di ba si Ed Chico, pagka meron siyang ginagawa, ay, meron siyang pakolehiala expression niya. Ay, he's so butthurt naman. Sabi ni user ESTX, pinakakahiyang presidente natin, nagkakalat sa Canada, patawa-tawa pa. Binayaran natin yung tweet na yan, tandaan ninyo. Sabi ni Dilema, nakakalakas ka ng loob, attorney, laging nagiging solid DDS kami. Yes, so share this kind of expression. Yung pag kami kausap din kayo, palakasin nyo din po ang loob. Remember, don't forget, focus on bringing VP Inday to 2028, which means siya talaga ang target and siya ang dinidefend natin. Okay? Huwag kayong magpapa-rage bait. Pag may nagsabi, tatay nyo karton, tatay nyo B. Kung ano yung B, bahala na kayo. Pwede nyo pa rin naman sabihin, tatay nyo bangag. Kasi sino ba ang nagtawag na bangag sa presidente? Hindi ba kapatid niya? Sabi ni Miel, nabaliw ka na. Uy, talaga, anong metrics mo? Akala mo ba you can just call somebody baliw? Wala kang ebidensya, argumento, impormasyon, data, walang kahit ano? Ano ba? Yun, sabi ni Julian's World, inalmahan na ng mga negosyante ang 85 pesos sahod increase sa Luzon. Luzon lang? Paano sa iba? Kinakabahan siya kasi Luzon yung mga rallies eh. Hi kay Totski. Ayun, pinaalala ni Ron Manalili, CJ Corona na impeach, na lughog mga assets, while Luisita Massacre wala pa ding justice. Ayan. Ayan. Hi, Miss Deseren. Hindi po makakaapekto ng boto yung yung pagkukulong ng minority kasi ang requirement ng Constitution is conviction votes. Kung i-sideline nila yung mga senador that would vote for acquittal, it's still a vote that is akin to acquittal. Even an abstention is an acquittal. So ulitin ko, ang hinanaing natin, it's still the same, it hasn't changed. Diba? Bakit nila pinag-iinitin si VP Inday? Pakulong muna kaya nila sina Yusek Pangandaman, Yusek Olayvar, Yusek Bersamin, or at the very least, imbestigahan naman nila. Aba, ini-exonerate na nila ang secretary ng DPWH. Tapos, di ba? Yun ang lalala ng mga, we're talking billions, hundreds of billions in projects na kailangang imbestigahan, pero maaga pa lang ini-exonerate na nila. At sino ba ang nagtatalaga na maging state witness? Si dating Secretary Bonoan, hindi ba si Ombudsman Boying Remulla? Sabi ni user, bakit po kayo umalis sa pagka-speaker ni PBBM? I was never the spokesperson of BBM. I was the press secretary. There's a big difference. As press secretary, not only did I conduct the briefings, but I was also supervising all the other agencies that are under the control or either under the control and supervision or supervision of the Office of the Press Secretary. I managed and headed the Office of the Press Secretary. I helped unify the messaging of the government. So, sorry po, hindi po ako spokes ni BBM. BBM is his own spokes. Sabi ni Blunt, dasal-dasal na DDS, malapit na matanggal Mother Sara nyo. Oy, without seeing any evidence, gumawa na kayo ng conclusion. Ang talino, grabe. Di ba? Ano yan, Magic? Ano yan, psychic ka? Tingin ko, ganito mangyayari. Walang ebidensya, walang argumento, walang kahit ano, sasabihin nyo matatanggal si VP Inday. Kala nyo? Baka dapat kami yung nagsasabi sa iyo, uy, hinay-hinay lang, because kahit hindi matanggal si BBM, pagbaba niya sa pagkapresidente, sasalubungin siya ng sandamakmak na kaso. Yes po, parang panahon ni DDS lumilipas mga kaso. You can't even talk straight. Anong lumilipas mga kaso? Diyos may mahabagin. Did you know that under the Duterte administration, hindi kailangan na i-press release para magkaroon ng mga kaso? Tuloy-tuloy, it was a matter of course. Pero ngayon, umaandar lang yung mga kaso kapag na-media. Katulad ng PhilHealth, na may dalawang mga nabiyuda. Tapos wala man lang ibinayad ang PhilHealth, lahat dinideny. Kung hindi yun na media, kung hindi yun nag-viral sa social media, di aasikasuhin ng PhilHealth. O dalawa yun, sa libu-libong kaso ng PhilHealth. Tapos ngayon sasabihin niyo lumilipas ang kaso. Ikaw kasi yung type ng tao na pag hindi mo nakita, it doesn't exist. But I have news for you. Tumutuloy-tuloy po ang kaso whether you know it or not. So, wag kang and do you think that you have to kailangan mo pang mag all caps para mapansin ka? You think that by putting all caps in your statement, nagmukha ka ng matalino? Or then suddenly you make sense? Sabi ni Blunt, lahat ng convicted na kalaya, come on, can't even spell it right. You are not credible enough, attorney. Ikaw lang naman ang nagsasabi niyan at ikaw lang ang naghuhusga. So ito yung nangyayari dito. You make up your own facts. You pretend to make sense. And then you come to a conclusion that has no basis. That comes from your imagination, if any. Unfortunately, your imagination is quite limited. So, you're not credible enough. Uy, excuse me. Pumasok ka pa lang dito, tapos wala kang argumento, and you're making up your facts. You cannot even come up with PSA statistics. So, wag tayong maglokohan dito. Yung attempt mo at bardagulan is very sad, very mistaken, and nonsensical. So, sorry. Good luck na lang on your life. And I hope one of these days you will learn to argue, you will learn to use evidence, you will learn to whatever. Pero kasi sa totoo lang, yung mga katulad ninyo, you're not teachable anymore. So, hopefully, if you study a little more, go back to school, you can learn. There are a lot of free videos on YouTube. Baka matuto ka. Okay? So, one of these days. But, we have neither the time nor the patience at this moment to do that for you. So, galingan nyo na lang. Oops! Ay! Na-block! Arwin, are you interrogating me? Bakit parang may akusasyon dyan? Sabi ng kabila, ganito. Ano explain mo dyan? I've answered several of your questions despite the fact that you have been very disrespectful in the way you have been asking. Okay? But don't think for even 2 seconds na titiisin ko yan ng tuloy-tuloy. Sasagutin ko yan, huwag kayong bastos. Ha? Modicum of respect. Ano explain mo dun? And konting grammatical rules naman. Konting at the very grammatical rules, they exist for a reason. Hi, Sir Bill. Sa mga trolls, kung wala kayong panlaban sa facts, subukan ninyo lumaban gamit batas. That's if you know the law. Sabi ni Home, di ba? You expect them to study, kaya nga naging troll because they're not fit for anything else. Uy, ang sakit. Sabi ni Ma'am Marites, extreme na ang trolls kasi alam nilang talo na sila, bitter na. That's why I like my trolls the way I like my coffee. Bitter. Hi, Ma'am Maydeen. Ito, sabi ni Star 0301, grabe, PhilHealth, confine anak ko, ubo, lagnat, pero sa 75,000 na bill, 22K lang binawas ng PhilHealth. Halos 30 years na ako naghuhulog, dalaga pa ako, grabe na to, nakakagalit. Yup. Hi kay Archie, sabi niya, ang mangyayari after 2028 elections pag nanalo si VP Inday, makakasuhan si BBM at kapag matalo si VP Sara, siya naman ang makakasuhan. Yan ang mangyayari sigurado. Sir, kinakasuhan na siya ngayon pa lang. Okay? Regardless of what happens sa impeachment, tutuloy yung kanyang mga yung kanyang kaso sa Office of the Ombudsman. King Bell says, ano naramdaman nyo na pinalitan lang kayo bilang spokesperson ng Malacanang ng isang Claire? Hindi ako pinalitan na spokesperson because I was never the spokesperson. Umayos nga kayo ng argumento nyo. Apples and oranges. Hi kay Edzology. Sabi niya, I think the Filipinos who both want the corruption of flood control, BBM admin's maneuvering of the GAA, among many others, and Sarah's impeachment to come to service. All of the above for me. Sabi ni Ma'am Michelle, the more they try to intimidate us, the stronger we get. Sabi ni Maximo, yung iba, attorney, parang proud pa sila na harap-harapan ng ninanakawan. Good. So, yan. Okay, so maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumubaybay sa live natin ngayon. So, remember, what is our goal? The goal is to bring VP Inday to 2028 and onwards. The goal is to make sure that we can protect her against the damaging communications that are factless. Yung mga uulit-ulitin lang nila and claim that VP Inday is corrupt. Nag-iimbento na nga sila ng facts, nag-iimbento na nga sila ng rules just to try to make her look corrupt. She isn't. Right? Defend her against that. Kasi that's what they're going for. They're trying to make it look like mayroong corruption. Meron naman talagang corruption sa Marcos administration. They're just looking in the wrong places. Bakit? Inuuna nila yung mga kalaban nila. Now, even assuming na yung mga kalaban ay mayroon talagang suspicion o may ebidensya na kailangan imbestigahan, kailangan dalin sa hukuman, okay lang yun. They do have to be investigated. They do have to be brought to court. That's if the evidence is sufficient. That's if the evidence is correctly obtained. That's if hindi kayo nagtitwist na ng naratiba. The test in determining whether or not patas yung pag-execute ng batas ng administrasyon na ito is to look at who is being held accountable. Who are being held accountable? Napaka-suspicious naman na puro mga kalaban lang ang hinuhold. So, when you choose kung sino yung mga kakasuhan, that's not accountability, that's not even justice. Because justice is not selective. So, kung VP Sara lang ang pinagdidiskitahan sa confidential funds, bakit hindi kasama si PBBM? Bakit hindi man lang, sige, para merong basis for comparison. Mr. President, patingin naman ng liquidation ninyo. At titignan din po namin. As if naman, hoy Cap Blanco, yung sinasabi nyo, bakit wala bang corruption sa Duterte admin? Kailan namin sinabi na wala? Nung presidente si PRD, siya mismo nagsabi, you can call out even myself if you find that we had done anything wrong. And yes, people did call him out. Ang dami nga sa inyo, tuloy-tuloy yung call out. Pero kami, kino-call out namin. Ewan ko kung nakikinig kayo noon sa Karambola, sino yung mga pangunahin namin dyan? Si Procopio, Secretary of Finance. Si Duque, Secretary of Health. Ilan pa yung mga yan? Minsan, pag nagkakamali si Lolo Art, call out pa rin siya kahit paborito pa namin siya noon. Pati noon, si Secretary Cusi, Secretary of Energy. Ito sabi ni Ma'am Jones, si Chaleco Boy. We called them out. Unlike you guys, sinasabi nyo like, Pinoy did nothing wrong. Para sa inyo, walang korupsyon ng Pinoy administration. Excuse me. Kahit kami, none of us, no single DDS is ever going to say na perfect ang Duterte administration. On the contrary, but he came very close. Well, he was the best president ever, stepping down from office at 90% approval rating. Ayun. Sige nga. Si PRD lang ang nakikita ninyo. Yan lang ang si PRD lang nakikita ninyo, tapos sasabihin niyo, bakit hindi ba siya corrupt? Kahit kaming DDS, kino-call out namin yung administrasyon niya noon. Nirereklamo din namin sina Sec Cusi, Sec Duque, si Sec Propio. Lahat yan. Ayan, yun yung problema. When you make assumptions, hindi ka naman pala DDS, you've never spent time with us, you never actually conducted a conversation with us long enough to understand what we were thinking. But we called out even the Duterte administration. Akala ninyo, kritiko lang kami ng Marcos administration. We had a lot of practice under the Duterte administration. Pero si PRD, look at the policies. Look at what his legislative agenda brought forth. Hindi nyo nga hindi nyo nga mabatikos yung yung pagbaba ng poverty rate. Hindi nyo mabatikos yung pagbaba ng crime rate. Ang nakikita nyo lang, EJK na inimbento nyo naman. Hanggang ngayon, kulang pa rin ang ebidensya mapatunayan yung 30,000 deaths. Corruption. At the very least, pag may na-call out na and ako, isa ako doon, may kinall out ako na undersecretary na nagka-problema dyan sa National Food Authority, sa NFA, anong ginawa ni PRD? Sinisante. Ilan ang sinisante niya live and on TV? Hi kay Chris, sabi niya, I laid low for a while with all the overwhelming mommy work and government BS. Thank you, attorney, and to our INC brothers for being our active voices. As usual, yung president, superficially deadma, pero deep inside, for sure, depressed na yun. Lalo na sa nangyari sa Canada, nakakaloka. Sobrang thick face niya, pinagmumukha na ng taong bayan na ayaw sa kanya, tapos mga supporters niya, binabayaran lang niya. Ay, ang lungkot ng buhay. Sabi ni Henry Palmer, buhay pa ba ang scholar ng bayan o naging maleta na ng bayan ng Melon? Excuse me, taga-UP po ako, nag-aaral pa rin ako at wala kaming maleta. At least ako. Estudyante ako. Scholar ng bayan, loud and proud. Si Koki din, 'di ba? Sabi ni Alenea. Sabi ni Raul Jason, pasensya na, pwede ba magmura pero galit ako. PI na Padre Damaso, walang kwenta. Pare, convict Sara daw. GAGO. Yung tanimbala na ipinalunok daw ni PRD din biglang nahinto. Ayun, sabi ni content creator, natandaan ko po si Ridon, tinanggal ni PRD kasi corrupt. Biyahe ng biyahe. Opo. Sabi ni Bill Ryan, UPN din ako. Di nga ako gumagamit ng bag noon, maleta pa kaya. Ikaw ba yung type na sumusok-sok lang ng notebook doon sa back pocket? Bilib ako sa inyo. Sa law school, grabe ako. Ang dami kong notes. Ma'am Yona, maraming salamat po. O yun, sabi ni Shian, mga sinisante ni PRD ng mga taga-DPWH noon, mga pinangalanan pa niya on TV. Correct. Hi, baby cat. Ito magpapakita. Say hi. Oh, baby cat. Say hi. Hi. This is Minnie. Push back. You might go down. Sabi ko na si Sir Bill yung type na isang notebook lang. Samantalang ako sandamakmak na sign pen, iba-ibang kulay, highlighter. Pero nung nagre-review ako sa bar, yung outline lang na sinusulatan ko ng ruling. Sabi ni Kai, attorney, marami kang notes. Sure na ikaw nagsulat nun ha. Yung kakilala ko kasi index card naman na take down notes niya. Yung pala inaabot lang na script. Sabi ni NHC, NCR, pinagtatawanan namin dati sa group chat yan si Terry Ridon. Si Sir Bill, blue book lang. Si Ma'am Omi kasi may namimigay ng mga premyo sa mga top winners. So may napili siya, ang top winners among the commenters, si Ma'am Ruby Harap Plaza, number 1. Number 2, si Ed Lania. And number 3, si Ma'am Melissa Panganiban. To all winners, sabi ni Ma'am Omi, please send me a message lang. PH winners only. If you're residing abroad, please give me a PH address lang po. I cannot afford to ship abroad. Yan. Ang cute-cute talaga. Thank you, Ma'am Omi. I love it. Nagpapapremyo dun sa sa FB app yung isang participant namin dito. Nagpapapremyo siya sa mga top commenters. Sabi ni content creator, di ako INC, Katoliko po ako, but I'm with the INC. They have very good job voicing out the problem. Nice. Sabi ni Ma'am Rain, bakit ang PGH di kasama sa DOH hospital? Di po government-owned ang PGH. Government-owned but they have their own charter. Sabi ni Torrent, bad trip kami. Canada Day pa talaga nagpunta ang B. Yikes. Ang cute ni Beanie, no? Doon sa mga nakakita. Ay, Beans, baby cat, dito ka. Nagre-reklamo na si Beans, hindi pa daw ako natutulog. So, sabi ni MJP, I can see the desperation in the prosecution team. Yan. So one of the reasons why napakapanis or napakahina ng mga trolls is they know what we're doing here. Hindi sila prepared. Ang ginagawa lang natin dito is supporting each other. There are times when some of us feel down, feel frustrated, we refocus. Sometimes we have to explain the situation. Sometimes we just need encouragement. Kasi hanggang 2028 po tayo. Unless something happens in between, ano? But here's the thing. Unlike them, tayo may ganito. We support each other. Total strangers who just happen to be DDS or DDS aligned or whatever label you want to go by or whatever no label you want to go by, you're welcome here. Whenever you feel low about the political situation, we're here. Yun yung difference. Unlike them, na kanya-kanya sila and all they can do is to pot shots at us. Tayo hindi. Iba tayo. We have a plan. We're taking VP Inday to 2028. Yung sabi ni Star Junk Sniper, ay puro lang sila one-liner. Akala nila witty. Diba? You can tell them, you came to a battle of wits unarmed. Sabi ni user, di ko gets yung hate nila kay PRD. Madami nga siyang nagawa for the Filipinos. Hindi lang kapartido. They were never going to like him. They were already determined to not like him kasi natalo eh. There's some people na they don't take defeat very well. Sabi ni Ma'am Edith, anti-hypocrite ako. That's fair. Sinabi niya talaga yun? Sabi ni NHC, aalis na daw si Ridon pag si Sara naging president. Talagang sinabi niya yon? Sana panindigan niya, di ba? Di naman siya kawalan. Sabi ni Tolitz, asawa ko nagagalit sa akin sa kakapagtanggol kay Sara. Dami ko daw kaaway sa FB. Huwag kayong mag-alala, pakisabi sa misis mo, hindi naman mga tao yung kaaway mo. Sabi ni Adrian, favorites, Duque, Dominguez, Cusi, Andanar, Panelo, Roque, Teo, Aguirre, Anyo, Tagiwalo, Mariano. Sabi ni Edzology, pero di ba po, it was Digong who appointed Duque for DOH but didn't chop him pronto. He kept him but was not criticized. Oh, excuse me, we criticized him for it. Yeah, because I really felt that Duque was a failure. He kept him but was not criticized for it. Sorry, that's not true. Because he was criticized for it. Yung mga tipong, bakit ba ayaw tanggalin ni Presidente yan? Etc. And we didn't stop. Sino pa yung mga si Secretary Cusi, ganun din po. Sabi ni Great Wall, the irony, Dilawans have condemned PRD for the so-called EJK, yet the same Dilawan said the suspect in the school shooting should have been shot dead. Nakalimutan ata nila na Dilawan sila. Aray. Sabi ni Sir Bill, Attorney Bill, by the way. Hello, trolls, DDS ako. So what? At least wisdom follows me all the time, unlike you guys whose wisdom is elusive. So, masarap yung bardagulan, but let's not live there. Okay? Focus again. Focus on the arguments. Focus on what they're going to say about VP Inday. Okay? And let's deal with it. We're not going to be able to defend her like 100%. There might be mistakes. I haven't seen all the evidence yet, so hindi ko talaga masasabi na there will always be an argument for that. But here's the thing. In criminal cases, if the overall evidence is insufficient, may duda ka pa, you must acquit. Ganun talaga. Sabi ni Ma'am Awi, one-liner hirit para sa mga trolls tonight. Buti pa sa teleserye may any resemblance to real persons is purely coincidental. Ang balita ng mga trolls, any resemblance to actual facts is a miracle. Oh, you're welcome, Sir Edzology. By the way, for those who are raging or rage baiting, si Sir Edzology is pink. But we love the fact that he is here. Purisima. I'm trying to remember. Wait. DOD? DOD? Purisima? DOD? Hindi ba ang DOD Lorenzana? Thank you kay Torrent. Tolit says, makagago, nagbago na po ng banat. Baka wala nang bayad sa kakapanita sa mga Duterte. Purisima was what? Hindi ko maalala. Purisima, remind me of who he is. Hi kay Pep Place. Sabi ni Pep Place, watching from Auckland, New Zealand. Attorney for Senator nga po ba sa 2028 as per Attorney Chico? Hihi, pa-register po ako uli para makaboto uli. Yes, boto na po kayo uli. Hi kay Lal, siya yun sa SAF incident, di ba? PNP. Di ba? Pero yung SAF incident was Pinoy. Oo, yun ang naaalala ko. Pero Pinoy administration yun. Sabi ni Ma'am Pichi, the Bible says, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. Representative Luisto's prayer exposed the wicked motives of their hearts, which is not to fight corruption, but to hide it and to protect themselves. Alam mo si Ma'am Pichi, pag nagsasalita, parang ang feeling ko, makasalanan talaga. Ang bait-bait niya ang bait-bait niya talaga mag-comment. At very appropriate. Siya lang yung nababasa kong comment na, pag nagko-quote siya ng Biblia, very sincere. Yes, sa Pinoy's Time. Hi, Miss Grace. Andyan si Miss Grace Ibuna. Batiin nyo naman. Bihira tayong may artista dito. Minsan-minsan si Sir Robin. Kuya Pat says, Purisima Chief PNP na suspended pero pa rin nag-control sa SAP. Yun ang naalala ko. Yun din po naalala ko. Pero kasi ang sabi nung nag-comment, DOD. What is DOD? Department of what? Ayun. Miss Grace, ang daming nagbumabati sa'yo sa Black App, sa TikTok. Hi, Miss Peachy. Sabi ni Miss Grace, maarte lang. Di daw artista, maarte lang. Cesar Purisima. Cesar Purisima was Hindi naman kay Duterte yun eh, di ba? Cesar Purisima, Pinoy style din. Ay, sabi ni Rodolfo, almost 30 years ako naging kargador ng Philippine Marine Corps. Duterte pa rin ever. Sabi ni Soft Tides, si Ma'am Beverly Salviejo, artista din po, madalas siya dito. Yes po. Parang na, ano nga ako, nasa starstruck ako parati. Miss Grace, daming bumabati din sa'yo sa YouTube. Firdaus. Sabi ni Noel, si Tatay Digong lang po nakabuwag sa mga katiwalian ng Pinas, lalo sa Mindanao, kuta ng ISIS at Marawi at ligtas ang biyahe buong Mindanao. Opo. Hala, bigla ko siyang na-miss. Hi, Miss Lucky Strike. Sabi na nag-shred siya ng boiled chicken for the kids. Kaya pala, nami-miss ko yung mga comments nyo. Ayun, sabi ni Great Wall, karapala na talaga, di baling halata si OMB, basta't masunod ang plano nila. Takot bumaba sa pwesto ang B. Siguro dapat meron tayong, para mas hindi kalat, siguro dapat may flavor of the day tayo. Halimbawa, si OMB, ang haba ng listahan ng mga kadudadudang mga desisyon. Halimbawa, state witness. At saka yung mga niya, di ba, yung hanggang ngayon hindi pa ini-explain. Yung sinasabi nilang soli pera, hindi nila sinasagot kung saan napunta yung perang sinusoli. Sabi ni Lyle, yung ombudsman talaga malaking tinik ngayon. Mm-hmm. So yan, Ay, si OMB talaga. Sabi thank you kay Anjo Bautista. Sabi ni Bong, paano po ba mababago sa pilitang paraan ng COMELEC na gawing online ng pagboto ng mga OFWs? Nakakabahala po ang sitwasyon na ganyan magmula ng nakaraang eleksyon at prone sa pandaraya yon. Ay. Sabi ni content creator, I felt safe during PRD's time. Walang addict na biglang sasaksak sa'yo. Okay, so maraming salamat. May rumors of impeachment kay OMB. Ay, join tayo dyan. I think that baka makapag-unite yung mga nasa kabilang parlor at yung parlor natin pagdating dyan kay OMB. Sabi ni Ma'am Lea, masyadong garapal si Boying. Kahit halata ang galawan, ayaw paawat talaga. Ay, sabi ni Anjo, hindi ko kayang panoorin si Attorney Poa sa Bilyo kasi nasusuka ako kay Margo nung kilig na kilig niyang sinabi na tataasan daw ang national to 7.2 billion next year na para bang ang daming projects. Uy, marami namang projects. Yung iba ghost nga lang. Sabi ni Chris, I'm just wondering pala about sa so-called arrest ni Senator Bato na nangyari. Hindi pa yata nangyayari. Why NBI? Kasi any law enforcer pwede. So, pag naglalabas ng warrant yung court, it is addressed to any law enforcer, to any and all law enforcers. Bakit di active puppet ngayon ng PNP? Hindi, pinapadala din naman po yung warrant sa lahat. So, NBI, PNP, yung mga yan, makakatanggap sila ng kopya ng warrant. Ang active nga lang is yung NBI for some reason. Sabi ni Patato Tini, ang daming spokes ng prosecution team. Parang pelikula ni FPJ. Fernando po, walang ang kalaban ng lahat. Sabi ni Ma'am Mara, OMB was given a second life after surviving cancer but he chose to live a life not worth living. Aray. Sabi ni 21, kamusta na po ang thesis nyo? Eto, slow by slow. Sabi ni Sir Bill, na I would like to see that OMB act as lead prosecutor in the Marcoleta plunder case. Let's see if he's that good in trial. Alright? But that might also be very painful to watch. Sabi ni Ma'am Raquel, magiging Singapore daw ang Pinas, sabi ni BBM. Patawa. Sabi ni MJP, why can't the MIU be with us and our sentiments? Ironically, kasi tinaasa ni PRD sweldo nila. Wala nang discontent. May immunity ba ang ombudsman kahit binabaluktot ang law? Well, it's kaakibat kasi since he cannot be removed except by impeachment, 'di ba? Kahit mag-file ka ng mag-file ng kaso, hindi po siya matatanggal for that. Sabi ni Ma'am Dayan, watching from Australia, there's a video of Ridon trying to tarnish the latest VP COA report as if we still need his biased opinion on this. I love how you phrase these things. Did you notice, guys, that so many of our commenters now, yung mga active ngayon, are very articulate? And it's not AI, ha? Parang suddenly, yung mga dating shy na napakatatalino, ngayon nagko-comment na, tulad ni na Ma'am Dayan, ni na Ma'am Awi, ganyan. Sabi ni Ma'am Raquel, hi daw. Sabi ni Diego, asa na daw si Yoshi? Ay, he's in the, we live in a compound. He's in the next house because he's my son's dog. And they live next door. My son has a daughter and dun siya nakatira. So one of these days, ibabalik ko siya dito. But the reason he's not here in this house is because he doesn't get along with Cerberus. So we have to keep them apart. Because Yoshi is very, well, he's, he has the markings of a taller, something like a cross between a golden retriever and a dachshund. So he will not survive an assault by Cerb if ever he misbehaves around Cerberus. Sabi ni Ma'am Julieta, mag-share lang daw po. Sabi niya, minsan nasa taxi ako, sabi ng driver, saan country ka? Sagot ko, Philippines. Tapos sabi niya, you have a very good president. Sana ipahiram siya dito sa Canada. We need a president like him. I'm so happy hearing that comment from a Canadian. Nakakamiss talaga si PRD. I love it. Okay, so habi ni Don't Dream It's Over, parang si John Vic walang paramdam nung last 3-day rally. Oo nga. Bakit nga ba? Makiramdam din tayo. Hi kay Jamal. So, muli, maraming salamat, totoo na to. Kasi maaga pa ako bukas. And by the way, heads up po, I'm going to be taking a leave from the Spokes because I have to travel. So, bago pa lang mag-start yung mga rumors ng mga wannabes dyan, yung mga frustrated sa akin, magli-leave po ako starting next week sa The Spokes because I will be traveling. So, baka hanapin niyo po ako, magla-live pa rin po ako every night. So, ipopost ko rin po na I will be on leave from The Spokes para hindi mag-speculate yung mga tao. Sabi ni Sir Bill, hala, kailan naging articulate ang mga trolls? Sabi ni Ma'am Chris, baka nagtatampo siya kay Ma'am Shi. Oo nga, So muli, maraming salamat. Good night. Para pinapatulog na ako ni 21 Carats. Nag-aalala na naman. So yun. So parang ang taba ng mukha ko. Uy, nagpa-derma ako ha, kaya parang mataba yung mukha ko. So thank you very much. And maraming salamat po. Sabi ni Rene, will you be running, attorney? Hindi ko po talaga alam. I don't want to, but I will if I am asked to. And you will know, you will be the first to know. We announce ko kaagad sa social media if ever that becomes a possibility. So, ang presumption is no. Unless, okay? Uy, sabi ni MJP Canada, please adopt B. Uy, thank you kay Sir Don Dennis Santos. Sabi ni Sir Bill, mag-spoxculate na naman kami next week. Uy, ang daming naniniwala. Thank you kay Chezzy. Sabi niya, we will support you. Hi, Sir Art. Thank you. Sabi ni user, you have my vote. Sige po. We always listen naman to you, but we also have to be realistic about what it takes, di ba? So, ayan, tingnan natin Okay? That like I said, nakikinig naman ako. So if ever I am asked by the right people such as but not limited to yung mga taong magi-include sa akin sa slate nila and it's an offer I can't refuse. Sabi ni Sir Bill, tatakbo tayo ma'am, 21K. Uy, hindi ko pa kaya, siguro hanggang 5K. 12K, yan. Kaya ko pa. Maria Jose. Okay. Si Master Rome, galit na galit sa magkapatid na Remulla. Huwag naman po tsinelas, sir. Sabi ni Kent, naku, bababa na naman ang views ng The Spokes niyan. Aray naman. Nag-guilty naman ako bigla. Till when kayo mawawala sa The Spokes? Siguro mga 2 weeks lang. Pasulitin nyo naman yung travel ko. So, thank you very much. But like I said, don't worry. I will still be live every day as of, or even more kasi nga, when I'm traveling, mas madalas eh. But I will also be studying and continue to be doing my thesis and doing research. When I'm abroad kasi I have access to books that are not found here. So malaking bagay po yan sa akin. Okay. Si attorney lang impartial doon talaga. So, okay. So maraming salamat. Good night. Thank you very much for all your support and for your continuing support. We will also continue to be helpful to each other. Mga ka-DDS or people who don't even like the label or want to be labeled as such, dito pa rin po tayo. We will continue to hold each other up and continue in our efforts to bring VP Inday to 2028 and beyond. I wish, ma'am, sinatanong ni Ma'am Lumpia Queen kung sa Netherlands. Naku, ma'am, I wish. Pero hindi po. I will announce when I am there. Okay, so good night, and thank you very much. Maaga pa po.